Hey, Kenzie Motorbike Supercross Bikes, just getting to it here. So, yeah, just getting to it here, you guys. Gonna be looking at dirt bikes again. I know I've been talking dirt bikes, but that's what I'm gonna be doing here today. But, I may look at Honda today, but, I might do that today. I might do that here today, just look at Honda dirt bikes. So, that's what I'm gonna be doing here today, and I just want to let you guys know what I'm gonna be doing here today. Just look at, Honda dirt bikes. So, and I'm still gonna have to, I'm still gonna have to put up a shop. To keep it into, so I can work on it and stuff. So, so, so that's what I'm gonna be doing here today, just look at Honda dirt bikes. But I'm gonna be putting up a shop here maybe this summer, hopefully. So, I just want to let you guys know what I'm gonna be doing here today. Alright, now I'll probably talk to you guys next time, alright? I just want to let you guys know what I'm gonna be doing here today. Alright, see ya.